one of the most visited natural attractions along the Richardson Highway. This 4 mile long glacier descends almost to pavement and is easy to approach on foot. Worthington Glacier, listed as a natural national landmark, is kept healthy by the area's extraordinary snowfall. Nearby Thompson Pass has been known to experience 80 feet of annual accumulation. The state recreation site features parking, pit toilets, and a covered pavilion with a model of the glacier and interpretive signs, all close to a small lake after seasonal snow has melted away in late June or early July. The outline of the glacier's terminal fingers stand out against the bedrock and gravel, making for a startling photographic tableau. Much of the surrounding terrain has excellent berry picking in season. The primary historic tunnel directly along the Richardson Highway is the Keystone Canyon Railroad Tunnel, also known as the Alaska Home Railroad Tunnel, located about 15 miles outside of Valdez, which is an abandoned walkable tunnel from a 1910s mining railroad project.
Okay, here's an old railroad tunnel from 1906. The Iron Trail. So let's go check it out. It is gorgeous going in, is it not? Look at that. Of course, this is outside of Valdez, on the way to Valdez. And here we go. Oh, look at here. Somebody has painted an American flag. That's, I'm not a fan. Looks like they painted over some of the graffiti. I wish they hadn't done any of it myself. But you can see the other end down there. And if you read the marker, I think it'll mention the people died fighting over this tunnel.
Keep going, Don. I think you can make it.
Well, I'm not questioning that. It's just a muddy mess.
Hand cut tunnel.
Yeah. Imagine that.
It looks at 2 donuts. There are no smooth edges here.
Look, they got things mounted over here like they used to try to block this, or somebody tried to climb it.
Maybe.
So,
That's a tunnel.
yeah. Pretty interesting.
Here, you're on smart.
This is Horsetail Falls, right off the Richardson Highway, Highway 4, on the way to Valdez.
Down the way into Valdez.
Excellent.
It's down the road from Bridal Veil.
You're very informative.
This is Horsetail Falls, right off the Richardson Highway, before you get to Valdez and Highway 4. And to my right is Bridal Veil Falls, the biggest one, but there's like 8 waterfalls in this area. Alright, here we go. I came up close and personal for Horsetail Falls. This is Don reporting from Horsetail Falls, up close and personal. Yep, I climbed about a fourth or a third of the way up. Let me show you. Here's a bald eagle. Come on, pose for me.
He hasn't posed.
Come on, pose for me. There he is. There he is. There you go. This is across the, whatever they call this water from Valdez. Here's a waterfall across the road from the salmon hatchery here by Valdez. We came to the end of the road. That is got a gate on it, and there is the 22 1 acre in size oil tanks. This is Valdez, Alaska. Let me just pan around here and show you. Beautiful, isn't it? And that right there is Valdez, folks. It is gorgeous.
Engine humming like it's earned our trust. Windows down, the air so cold. Chasing the dreams the map unfolds. On the road to Alaska, where the wild runs free. Mountains rise like